This is the Flipkart box that you get when you order the Realme Buds Air NEO. And peeps, if you want to skip to any part of the video, you can do that by YouTube controls or going into the description and clicking on the time frame. Right off the Flipkart box, you get the Realme box. I mean, yeah. And I really like the packaging of Realme earbuds. It's simple, it's subtle, it's just like the Apple AirPods. Let's just get right into the packaging. And oh my god, for real, it's just packed like Apple AirPods. The wrap is just like the Apple AirPods. Wow, Realme, wow. Let's just clear all the crap out and look at the Realme Buds itself. I've ordered it in the green pair and it's right now on sale for $21.99 on Flipkart. I must say that color looks really good. I've actually ordered this green color because it looks really kind of a military color and I really like something to be unique than the Apple AirPods. The charging case looks very similar to the Apple AirPods, but it is not. It is a bit thicker and it looks cool. It looks really cool and it has a green light on the outside. And let me actually show you one new feature of these charging case is that it can steadily stand on a desk, and this hotshot unfortunately cannot stand the Realme Buds. Posing side by side, both of them look really identical, but unfortunately the Realme Buds don't get a USB type C, they get a USB type A. Now the moment of the truth, the closing sound of both the cases. Well, it's again similar, yeah. Now let's again compare these side by side and see the thickness, actually how thick it is versus the Apple AirPods. The pairing process was really simple and there was no confusion between both the buds that they have to pair themselves and then pair with the smartphone. Both of them connected simultaneously. Let me just show you how quickly it connects when you open the case and then the connection is established with the smartphone. Now let's look at how it fits in the ears, and to be honest, it fits really nicely, just like the Apple AirPods, and you will have no worries if you have small ear holes. Alright, so what I'm noticing right now is that the touch controls, on single tap nothing happens, so double tap is either pause or play the music, and triple tap is play the next music. So let me just show you, as you're saying, 1, 1, 2, it has stopped the music. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's a nice feature, I would say. I think there would be a feature to also play the rewinded music, the last music, but I'm gonna see the touch controls if there is some feature to do that. So indeed, if you look at the booklet, which nobody actually sees, there is a clear mention of what the touch controls. I'll put that on the screen. So it's written that if you 2 touch, it will answer the phone or play, pause the music. 3 touch, skip to the next song, and press twice during calling. So if you press twice during a call, it will hang up the call, and press both sides for 2 times at the same time. Enter and exit game mode. So that's a pretty cool implementation, I would say. And yeah, that's about it. And if you want to reset your earphones, long press the pairing key. So that's just so there were like 4 touch operations that you can perform on the Realme Buds Air NEO. Yeah, kind of a weird name. I mean, AirDopes was easy to say, but yeah, Realme Buds Air NEO. You can do these kind of operation on these earbuds. Now I've used these buds for only 2 hours, but I would really recommend these. I mean, the sound quality is really good. I mean, I was using AirDopes for past 2 maybe 3 days, and I was surprised by how much good these earbuds are. The Realme Airbuds Neo. Yeah, if that sounds, I mean, Realme Buds Air NEO. Yeah, that's the name of the game, and these are really good, I must say, and these are so good with small ears. One thing that I mentioned in the last video in eardopes is that people with small ears, eardopes is a real problem. These are not a problem, but these will not stay strong in your ears. I mean, just like AirPods, Apple AirPods, these will fall like crazy, as you have seen in the shake test. Quality wise, I would say bass is a solid 3.5. I would say 3.6 even. I mean, that's good. That's really good. That's better than both eardopes. And treble, I would say the same, 3.6. So 3.6 and 3.6 for both bass and treble. Overall quality 4/5. Totally recommend this product. And if I compare these with Apple AirPods, I would say bass is quite, I mean, this whole sound quality is quite comparable. Clarity is a bit better in the Apple AirPods as compared to the Realme Buds, but damn, these are so comparable, and these are at sale right now at 2,200 rupees, 21.99 at Flipkart. I mean, I really like them. I really like them. So much so that I am considering returning the Bode AirDops 441. I don't know. These are really good. These are like the exact replacement of an Apple AirPods, and with water resistant. Yes, these come with water resistance. I don't know if it's a certification or not. I'll put up here if it's a certification after finding the information. I'm not sure about it, but yeah, I'll put a screenshot here if it's IPX7 or something certified. But truly, you can wear these for as long as you want, and you won't feel that you have worn any earbuds at all in your ears. So that's a steal for me. I won't exchange them. I won't return them. These are really good. These will stay with me. I will consider returning the Bode eardopes. So if you are someone with small ear holes and you want this kind of lookish feeling of Apple AirPods, I ordered it green because I wanted it something to be different than Apple AirPods. So this is the Apple AirPods and this is the Realme Buds. Quite similar, but there are very noticeable changes. I mean, not very noticeable, but again, this Realme Bud is a bit thicker than the AirPods, but again, not a lot of change, as you can see. So yeah, I wanted this green color because it looked really cool. It looked militant, and I wanted something, you know, tough, that looks tough in the gym. So that's why I ordered this green color. So the verdict, whether you should buy these Apple shit Realme Buds Air NEO or not, yes, please buy them. Please buy them. If you have small ears, go for them. Go for them. Don't invest in eardopes. I would say the sound quality is comparable, even better than the eardopes. I can literally say that. And these are really good. The form factor is made for people with small ear holes, and just go for it. I mean, these are really good. Bode is doing something really good, but Realme is doing something even better. Burn. So on the screen you are seeing right now, these are the things जिससे आपको बिल्कुल बाय करने चाहिए ये Realme Earbuds Neo. ये रीजंस है, और ये रीजंस है जिससे आपको मे बी दूसरे ऑप्शंस कंसीडर करने चाहिए. That's it for this video. सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलें, लाइक करना मत भूलें. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, peace out, bye bye, and wash your hands.